We, the Hinitrep Integrated Territorial Organization (AHITO), wish to clarify our position, particularly for the 60 members of the Legislative Assembly (MLAs), 90 members of district councils (MDCs), and 3 members of Parliament (MPs) in Meghalaya. Upon India's independence, a conditional instrument of accession (IOA) and an annexed agreement (AA) were signed by Sri C. Rajagopalagiri, the then Governor-General of India, on August 17, 1948, involving the 25 Khasi states that formed the Federation of Khasi States. Before that, on August 9, 1947, the Government of India requested the Khasi chiefs to sign a standstill agreement as an interim measure. Additionally, a preliminary accession agreement was signed with the Governor of Assam on July 16, 1947, specifying that the IOA and AA would be valid for 2 years to establish new arrangements. However, this 2-year clause was later unilaterally removed by the Government of India on December 15, 1947 during the drafting of the document. During the legislative processes, the Government of India was misled about the Khasi states' intentions. The amended IOA and AA were imposed under duress and remain unacknowledged within Article 370A of the Indian Constitution, violating several United Nations conventions on the rights of indigenous peoples. Historically, the IOA and AA concerning the Khasi states were recognized by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and presented in the White Paper on Indian States during 1949 to 1950. The Khasi people, under immense pressure and facing threats, including events like the Millstone incident in March 1948, refused to sign the instrument of merger and only accepted the conditional IOA and AA for a limited period. Understanding this context is crucial for recognizing the ongoing implications for the Khasi states and their rights within Indian governance.